Yeah, yeah. All my life they've been trying to keep me down, but you gotta face the fact, if you're not moving your ass, you'll be damned. Look, half of my family's still unemployed, but we are more than a rich like fake cap, still fake, but I can't feel it. These people be changing too fast. I hope my future, but I suffer in my past. I think my freedom is caged. Teachers say, well, I end up sweeping toilets instead of motivate me. They're trying to break me. What kind of shit is that, huh? Still with this fakes, but I'm keep it real though. I know I'm gonna make it. I think I like her, but I'm still like her friend, don't. But fuck it, I got bigger dreams, but small city. My fingers don't need a ring, cause I'm not gonna feel it. Don't care if I hurt your feelings.
Money gonna change you.
I don't think so.
How I gonna change you?
I don't think so. There is a whole life itself in my rap notes.
Can you decipher my rap codes?